Welcome back to Sandy Suggestions, and I hope you're having a great time tonight on Bale Friends. Always a great topic, great conversation, and you can get involved in the chat by asking us questions, making your comments. So for Sandy's Suggestions today, we're talking about peas. So let me turn the camera around. And this is just my little area of peas. They're just starting to fill out. It's still flowering, a whole bunch. And I just have some chicken wire back here that they're climbing up. And look at how many peas you can get in such a small area. So no matter how big or small your garden is, make sure that you're growing peas. Now I'm going to let these fill all out. See, this one's filling out more. And when it gets nice and plump, it's time to harvest. But as long as it keeps flowering, I will get more and more peas. So my suggestion, just take a little chicken wire, put it here and there, and let those peas climb up. Replant every 2 weeks, and you will have more and more peas. Sandy's Suggestion. Have a great evening tonight.